Hello, everyone. Today we have a new topic, and the topic is planning a wildlife activity. We have a learning expectation for today that is being able to identify wildlife activities or habitats, identify native animal needs, select appropriate plants or features, and explain how they plan support local biodiversity and addresses environmental factors. Here we have a definition what a wildlife is. It is any experience that helps people to encounter, observe, study, and learn about wild animals and plants between nature. What a life activity is, a wildlife activity is, or refers to a wild animal and plants living naturally between their own habitat, and that included animals, fauna, and flora. Here we have the environment where animals lives in the natural environment between water into the forest and how they survive in that environment. Now we have the adaptation. There are some animals that have to be adapted to the weather conditions. For example, when the temperature is very low. Now we have an activity between the forest and how it can be conserved all the environment by doing projects, by observing, by connecting with wildlife, and so on. Here we have some activities that we can do being into the wildlife, observing and recording animals in nature, plants, creating habitats for different animals in flora, in plants, playing educational games, matching animals with habitats and foods, researching about animals, adaptation and information, researching about their habitats, ways of living, creating models of habitats to survive, playing educational games, or we can go like an excursion with experts to research and make a report about ways of living. We can make activities in art, for example, doing pictures, making appreciation, photographed, and activities that students can be enjoying. Here there is another activity you can see between the forests, connecting with the real environment. Here, there is a message for the ending. Planning a wild activity could highlight the importance of respect between the lifelong impact and connecting with nature. Okay, this has been everything for today. I hope you like these presentations and learn a little bit more about wildlife activities.